The 1997 Canadian federal election was held on June 2, 1997, to elect members to the House of Commons of Canada of the 36th Parliament of Canada. Prime Minister Jean Chrétien's Liberal Party narrowly won a second-majority government. The Reform Party replaced the Bloc Québécois as the official opposition. The election results closely followed the pattern of the 1993 election. The Liberals swept Ontario, while the Bloc won a majority in Quebec. Reform made sufficient gains in the West to allow Preston Manning to become leader of the official opposition, but lost its only seat east of Manitoba. The most significant change was major gains in Atlantic Canada by the New Democratic Party and the Rump Progressive Conservative Party. The Liberals lost two cabinet ministers, David Dingwall, Minister of Public Works from Nova Scotia, and Doug Young, Minister of National Defence from New Brunswick, both of whom lost to NDP candidates. The Liberals' victory was not in doubt, though some commentators on election night were predicting that they would be cut down to a minority government and that Chrétien might lose his seat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.